One day, a small bird was flying over a village when it saw something shiny on the ground. Curious, it landed and picked up a small, bright piece of glass. The sun made it sparkle like a diamond. This must be a real diamond, the bird thought. If I have a diamond, I will be the richest bird in the forest. Excited, the bird carried the glass to its nest and showed it to the other birds. They all gathered around, their eyes wide with wonder. "Wow," they said. "You are so lucky. This is beautiful." But then, an old crow flew down and looked at the glass carefully. He shook his head and said, "This is not a diamond. It is just a piece of broken glass. It looks nice, but it has no real value." The small bird's heart sank. "So, I am not rich?" it asked. The crow smiled. "You were never poor. Look around you. You have food, a safe nest, and friends who care about you. What more do you need?" The little bird thought for a moment. The wind was soft. The trees were green. And its friends were singing happily. It suddenly felt warm inside. "You are right," the bird said, dropping the glass. "It was just a thing. But happiness, that was something real." The bird flew off, feeling lighter and freer than ever before. So you see, not everything that glitters is gold. In life, we often chase after things that seem valuable, money, status, or material possessions, believing they will bring us happiness. But just like the small bird's glass, these things can be illusions. They may shine brightly, but they do not always bring true joy. Real wealth is not found in objects, but in the things we often take for granted: the warmth of friendship, the comfort of a safe place to call home, and the beauty of simple moments. The bird thought it needed a diamond to be happy, but in the end, it realized that it was already rich in ways that truly mattered. The next time you find yourself chasing something that seems important, pause and ask yourself, do I really need this? Or am I forgetting the true treasures in my life? The happiest people are not the ones who have the most, but those who appreciate what they already have.